On my same outfit.
Yeah, it's disgusting. We're going to go get bagels. Our first stop. Just a quick stop, and then we're coming back because it's only 10 minutes away.
Yeah.
Bagel time! I got a coffee from Felix. I got an iced mocha. It tastes really interesting. I would say it's good, but like a 7 out of 10 because a part of me feels like it tastes drinking doenjang.
Bruh.
Ooh, open.
Mine's
Open
boring. It's just
sesame,
sausage
get it?
and egg. Open sesame.
Okay, excited for mine. Bagel reveal. Ooh.
Good. 갑자기 ASMR.
I feel like tying your straight shoes in the middle of walking is like humbling. Do you know what I'm talking about though? Like you have to bend down.
Especially when you're with a friend and they have to wait for you.
The train is delayed, so we gotta wait.
8 minutes.
Hey guys, today we're doing a fit check in the subway. First, I have Sambas jeans from Abercrombie, Target, Subdued, H&M, fake Bottega, Slade, Subway Slay, Subway Slay.
I don't know what I'm wearing. My shoes, Adidas. I got it. I think at Nordstrom Rack. My jeans, I think are Zara. My top is from Dry Goods. My jacket, I thrifted. My bag is from karis from Uniqlo. She's a happy birthday. Yeah, Slay. Slay. Subway Slay, 33rd Street. Very loud subway. Karis chewing gum.
When Tumby was doing her outfit check, all of a sudden they were like, "Ruff."
It scared me. There was a dog on the other side. What do you rate it? So squishy.
Do you remember the mochi my mom used to make when I was little?
No.
Oh, it tastes just like that. I like it.
I eat my hair.
I rate it like 8. 8. 8. How about you?
I give it like a 7. I can't really like taste the flavors. It just tastes like butter mochi to me.
Yeah.
But it's good though. Like if you like butter mochi, just get it.
I like butter mochi too.
We're in, what is this place called? Canal. We're in Canal Street Market to get Joe's rice noodles. But we bought mochi earlier, and I'm gonna give you an ASMR. I just want the rice roll, and it's taking so long to come out. They're here. Oh,
They arrived.
they arrived.
I'm gonna start with the shrimp one. This one is just shrimp and we added scallions. Okay.
Pickle pot. Yum. Or is it just like whatever?
It's good, but I'm just like,
It's good? You have to add everything. Oh my god, it's really good. got
It's so hot.
pineapple pork bun from Meilaiwa.
I don't get the pork, but it's good, right?
Hot pineapple crust.
It's so patakura.
So good.
And it's like,
Oh my god.
it's a sweet salty, bruh. It's a sweet salty combination.
Big bite. When you were like, get the pineapple, I was like, okay, whatever. But it's good.
No, the pineapple is a must. Okay.
I don't know. Kava time.
Kava.
She got a pita. I got a bowl. It looks so delicious. We changed into our pajamas.
We changed it to pajama. Oh! It looks like the whole thing is see-through, but it's not. I don't know how.
How does that work though?
I don't know, but the second part, the second half is like not see-through at all. And then I got this jacket. It looks so.
I think it's actually cute, like zipped up. Here's the big part. We went to Tesco. Got one of these. Maybe I'll eat one. I don't know yet. Apple.
I got this.
These
It's
are
so good.
so
I'm
yummy.
snacking on it.
And then I got this.
Bruh.
And then I got this.
Cognac blubber.
Yeah. So like good.
Yeah.
And then
I got 0 cacao.
I don't know these, but I got this. And then I got this. And then I got this. Which we'll try. And then I got this.
Bruh.
And then we got this. Smiski unboxing. And
I'm gonna get the one lifting or the one sleeping.
I want this one sleeping or the one with the kitty cat.
I don't want the kitty cat.
I kind of like the one that's holding the pole.
Is that a flu?
Yeah, I don't know why.
That one's like random. Like, I don't play flu.
Focus.
Well, I kind of wish I got the bath one still, but. Smiski's supposed to be green.
Yeah. You get the first piece.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, it's the kitty cat!
I got the kitty cat too. Dang it! I didn't want the kitty cat. No. 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 Stupid kitty cat. I didn't even want that kitty cat.
Okay, now that we opened our smiskies, save for later, we're gonna try this. Apparently it's mango and peach.
Mango and
It's
peach.
gonna look burn out at me. First scoop.
Ew. Oh!
Ugh.